Today is Monday, Parashat Tazria. Tomorrow is going to be Rosh Chodesh Nisan. Actually, tonight Rosh Chodesh Nisan begins, and the month of Nisan we have a blessing, a certain beracha that we say when we see fruit trees blossoming. The flowers come on the tree before the fruit, and that happens typically in the springtime. And therefore, Nisan, which is Chodesh Aviv, the month of the springtime, is the month when these trees flourish and start with those flowers and those blossoms. And when we see fruit trees in blossoming stage, there's a beracha to be said. And the beracha is, Baruch Atah Hashem, Elokeinu melech haolam, shelo hiser be'olamo klum, that he made nothing lacking in his world, ubara bo beriot tovot, and he created in it Birkat Hailanot, good creations, Hailanot tovot, and good trees, lehanot bahem bnei adam, for people to enjoy. And this beracha is to be said. Both men and women have the obligation to say this beracha when they see fruit trees in blossoming. We don't say shechianu, and you say it only once. So if once you said the beracha, and even you see other places, fruit trees that are blossoming, you've already fulfilled your obligation. Now, the beracha should be said when at least two fruit trees are there. Preferably, it should be two different fruit trees. But if you don't have two different fruit trees, even two trees of the same kind that are blossoming, you say the beracha of Birkat Hailanot. Now, it's preferable to have a minyan when this beracha is said. And it has, when there's a minyan, when there is a quorum of 10, there's always more importance. And also, if possible, the rovam with a good, large attendance of people. And then there is other things that are recited. You have afterwards, Mizmor V'shuv Hashem et Shivat Zion, Hallelujah, Lut Hashem in Hashamayim. There are other readings from the Tehillim. And one person can say the beracha loud, and others say it softly, or they can answer amen, and you can have it in mind, but each person can also say the beracha at the same time. Now, this is only for fruit trees that are blossoming. If you have trees that do not give fruits that blossom, there is no beracha to say for it. And Baruch Hashem, our synagogue, our community, we're organizing a Birkat Hailanot for tomorrow morning at 7:45, right after Shachrit, Berov Amad Rat Melech, God willing, with a large attendance and with more than one kind of fruit trees that is in the stage of blossoming. Now, you can say this beracha throughout the whole month of Nisan. However, Hazrizim Makdimim Levarech, Halacha says those who have alacrity, who do the mitzvah, have the enthusiasm, they should do as early as possible. And Rosh Chodesh Nisan, which is the beginning of the month of Nisan, is definitely the beginning of the time that we can say it, and that's why we're doing it tomorrow. But if you didn't do it tomorrow, you can do it throughout the whole month of Nisan. Now, the person should try, of course, to do the mitzvah together with 10 people. But if in order to do it with a minyan, you have to wait until later in the month, it would be preferable to do it even as early on the first day of the month, even if you don't have minyan. But the best way to do it is with minyan and in Rosh Chodesh Nisan. Baruch Adonai le'olam. Amen ve'amen.